I have wanted to set up VLC, my media player of choice, to play in a borderless window for a long time. Unfortunately, this isn't a feature built into VLC, so I just used VLC's minimal interface for a long time, which was okay but not really what I wanted. However, I've finally managed to set up VLC exactly as I want it. I've set it up so that I can remove VLC's borders and Windows title with a single keystroke. The screen looks a lot neater now with my VLC window. Most of the time it's displaying the album art for the music that is on random play. If VLC is playing a video, then the video will also play in a borderless window. The solution that I'm using to play VLC in a borderless window is a simple but powerful scripting language called Auto Hotkey. I've not received any payment or any other benefit from Auto Hotkey or anybody else for this video. I'm just a fan of Auto Hotkey. In this video, I will show you the script that I have used to set up VLC with borderless windows. I will explain each line so that you can then modify my script to meet your own requirements. First, you need to install Auto Hotkey by visiting the website AutoHotkey.com and downloading the current version and installing it on your computer. If you click Run Auto Hotkey, it will show you its help pages because Auto Hotkey by itself will do nothing. It actually requires a script to do something. If you create a new Auto Hotkey script using right mouse click, you will find that Auto Hotkey has included 4 lines at the start of the script. The warn command is commented out with the semicolon, but being new to Auto Hotkey, I thought that warnings would be useful, so I deleted the semicolon so that the warn command is not commented out of the script. Incidentally, I use Notepad++ to edit the scripts, and Notepad++ changes the colour of the text, e.g. green for comments and blue for commands. This is the script that removes the borders from the VLC window, which as you can see includes the standard 4 lines at the start. The body of the script, the bit that I have written, is split into 2 sections. The first section runs once when the script is first run. The second section of the script waits for a hotkey to be pressed and then executes the second section of the script. If the hotkey is hit a second time, then the second section of the script is run a second time. I place a shortcut to both VLC and the script in the Windows 10 Startup folder. This means that when the computer is booting up, it will open VLC and also run the first section of the script, which removes the borders from the VLC window and the titles. For info, I actually start VLC with an XSPF file, which is a playlist file that includes my entire music library. VLC is in random play mode, so when I boot up my computer, VLC automatically starts playing my entire music collection in random play mode in a borderless window. Incidentally, if you are having problems with random play mode in VLC, then click the link at the top of the video to watch another video which shows you how to fix VLC's random play mode. When the first section of the script is finished running, the script just sits and waits for Ctrl+T to be typed when VLC is the active window. If this happens, the second section of the script is run, which toggles the VLC border on and off. So you can keep hitting Ctrl+T and VLC's borders will turn on and off. The script is fairly short, so let's just work through each line and show on screen the effect of each line of the script. The win_wait command waits for VLC to be started. Windows 10 may start VLC first or the script first. If the script starts first, then it will be trying to make changes to VLC, but VLC is not yet running, so this will obviously cause problems. The solution is therefore to get the script to wait for VLC to be started with the win_wait command. If VLC has already started, the script will just continue. The WinActivate command makes VLC the active window as shown by the title bar changing colour. I discovered that during the boot up process, VLC requires a bit of time to get fully started before the script sends keystrokes to the application. The sleep command just makes the script wait for 1 second for VLC to finish starting up correctly. The SendMode Input command sends keystrokes to the active window. Ctrl-H is VLC's keyboard shortcut to change the display to VLC's minimal interface. The caret symbol followed by H will send Ctrl-H to the active window. Since VLC is the active window, this will select VLC's minimal interface. Without the sleep command, the Ctrl-H command was just ignored by VLC and the minimal interface was not selected. The WinMove command moves the window to the correct position towards the upper right of the screen and sets the size at 250 by 250. At this stage, the window is partly off screen because it is in the correct position for when the title bar and border have been removed. The WinSet command with a subcommand of style allows you to change the style of the window. From Googling, I discovered that this number will remove both the title bar and the border around the window. The caret or up arrow is important because this means that the command will toggle the title bar and border on and off. Since VLC will always start with a title bar and border, this command will therefore turn the title bar and border off. At this point I discovered a feature of Windows that there is a shadow of the window. I tried using the redraw command to get rid of this shadow, but the only thing that would work was to move the window by a single pixel. If you look at the two WinMove commands, you will see that the X position is 1671 compared to 1670 in the first WinMove. So now, when the computer is started, VLC will start and then be changed to a minimal interface at the correct position on the screen and then have the Windows title and border removed. The script will continue to run in the background. These two lines with the #if and Ctrl+T mean that the script is waiting for the user to type Ctrl+T when VLC is the active window. When this happens, the script is very similar to the earlier script. Send Ctrl+H to VLC to select VLC's minimal interface. Then move VLC to the correct position. Then toggle the title and border. Then get rid of the shadow by moving the window by 1 pixel. I hope that has helped to explain this script and that you can use it and modify it for your own personal use.